Hi friends, very good morning all of you. I hope all of you are doing good. So today I am here with a very exciting and very important announcement for CA intermediate students going to write examinations in May 2022. So many students, those who have appeared group 1 examinations who completed just few days back, ICA examinations were completed just a few days back, not even 1 week. So I am getting many inquiries, sir, when are you starting group 2 classes? And also some of the students, those who have already written group 2 classes but not confident of clearing, they want to start their preparation early, and they also started calling me and asking, Pavan sir, when group 2 classes will start. So today I am here with a very important announcement for students writing group 2 May 22 exams. The happy news is we are going to start classes on 27th December. 27th December, that is Monday. And these are going to be live classes on Zoom platform and our mobile application CAP classes platform. The classes will be from evening 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. The classes will be from evening 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And this is going to be a hybrid batch. Hybrid batch means there will be live classes plus there will be recorded classes also. We try to cover maximum syllabus and all the important topics in live class itself, so that there will be interaction, there will be two-way communication from the students side also. They can communicate, they can ask the doubt, they can clarify the doubts and all. Okay, and this is going to be exclusive new syllabus, because as you know, ICA is going to discontinue this old syllabus, that is IPCC. So this batch covers 100% of the syllabus of all the subjects. So tell me, what are all the subjects we have? We have advanced accounting, we have auditing and assurance, we have EIS and SM, we have economics for finance and financial management. These are the 4 papers in group 2, and we are offering coaching for 100% of the syllabus of all the papers. Okay, so I named it as pre-results batch because you have written examinations. Before results come, you are going to appear this classes. That is the reason we call it pre-results batch. Now, some students are eager to attend classes, whereas some other students are like, Pavan sir, after results I can attend na Pavan sir. That category is also there. The beauty of this pre-results batch is, we'll give you, for example, consider auditing and strategic management. Just for example, the moment you pay the fee, 100% of the recorded classes access will be given to you, not crash course, 100% regular course. Recorded access will be given to you. You keep listening to that. And when we announce live batch, definitely we are going to announce live batch before May 22 exams. You can attend the whole crash course free of cost without even paying single rupee. 1 rupee also you need not pay. That means 6 months access is given to you, plus you can attend live crash course. That means, don't you think it will be double effective? It will be double effective. Obviously, yes. So what are the key takeaways? So what are the important features of the batch which you need to know? Initially, we are starting with the 2 subjects. The main subjects, the problematic, practical papers. That is advanced accounting and FM. Every week classes will be conducted for 3 days, and the class timings is arranged in such a way that even articled assistants can comfortably attend this batch, because after completion of group 1, or if you are a direct entry student, you will be attending articles also. So the classes will be conducted only from evening 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock now, and in future classes will be conducted only on Sundays. So Sunday 1 paper will be there, evening 6 to 9, 3 days, 2 papers will run simultaneously. Okay, so now we are starting one new batch on 27th December. We are starting with advanced accounting. So this advanced accounting subject will be taught 2 days a week. Advanced accounting will be taught 2 days a week. So 1 day 3 hours, 2 days 6 hours, and the classes will run for 12 weeks. That means 3 months. That means 3 months. So 3 months, how many weeks we have? 12 to 13 weeks we have. Into 6 hours means approx 72 up to 78 lecture hours, which covers the whole syllabus of advanced accounting. Okay, and some modules, some very less important modules will be given in recording, and all the important areas like you call it consolidation, you call it amalgamation, you call it accounting standards, and advanced accounting standards also will be there in group 2, and you call it internal reconstruction. All these things, banking, all these things will be discussed in detail in the class. One or two, hardly, maximum 1 or 2 topics only will be given in recording. Out of 10 chapters, more than 8 chapters we will discuss in live batch only. That means practically 100% will cover in live batch. Financial management also 100% will cover in live batch, and FM only 1 class will be there every week. Okay. Based on the students' requirement, based on, after the results, we might increase this to 2 days, but now it is only 1 day. That is also in the evening, 6 to 9. So 13 weeks, 13 into 3 hours. 13 weeks, 13 into 3 hours. That comes to 40 hours of financial management. That is what the lecture plan is. 40 to 50 hours we can complete financial management comfortably. And for those students who miss the class, recorded backup will be given. So today class is over, you couldn't attend. So if you text me, Pavan sir, I am unable to attend the class, next day, by tomorrow, backup will be given to you. Whatever the class happened, on the previous day, you can get recorded backup on CAP classes application free of cost the next day. You understand? And chapter-wise examinations will be conducted, suggested answers will be given to you, doubts clarification will be there. And most importantly, as I told you, auditing, strategic management kind of papers. We are starting with practical papers. Theory papers, I'll give you recording now, plus crash course you can attend free of cost. And I also have given some benefits of the pre-results batch. The first and foremost thing is, you will get recorded plus live, I told you, plus you will get 20% early bird discount if you register before the commencement of the classes. And the most important thing is, this 6 months period is there, no 6 months plan. It is effectively planned that the teaching and learning are systematically spread over this 6 months period. So if you look at the crash courses, I have seen, crash courses across India. So results will come. After that, student, fails the exam, and when the student fails the exam, he will be in depression. Then he will see who is taking crash course, and one institute or one lecturer where them, they will be giving the crash course, and it will be dumping like morning 10 o'clock, evening 6 o'clock, or sometimes morning 7 to evening 7, 10 to 5, 8 to 6. So like this, they will complete the whole syllabus. For strategic management, 2 days. FM 4 days, auditing 6 to 8 days, advanced accounting 8 to 9 days. Syllabus is khatam. And the student, from looking this side to this side, syllabus will be over, and you will get mental. No recorded backup, no proper coverage of the syllabus. It will be, the lecturer will be definitely effective, no doubt about it. I am not telling about the ability of the lecturer. They have proven track record. They might have taken so many crash batches before. But finally, will you be able to get the actual benefit? You are paying, 5,000 fee, 6,000 fee, 7,000 fee, or 10,000 fee. So are you getting the benefit? So the biggest advantage of this pre-results batch is the lectures are spread over 6 months. Remember, consistency and discipline are the most important things to crack examinations like CA. So it is not that in 2 days you attended the course, 4 days you attended the course, the syllabus is over and you understand everything, you go write and pass. No, systematically. So if 13 lectures are there, that 13 lectures are spread over 3 months. But still, trust me, I will give you minimum 1.5 months time before the examination for your revision, for your second and third revisions, for writing mock exams, for writing test series exams. For all these things, I will give you time. I will complete the batch before March 31st so that you will get full April. Plus, if you are writing only group 2, examinations will not start in the first week of May. No, they'll start in the third week of May or probably fourth week of May. And since you know last 3-4 attempts ICA is rolling over, no, so there is little delay. Examinations did not happen in May, they happened in June. Examinations did not happen in November, they happened in December. So like that, if 15 days 20 days goes that side, then you will have more than 2 months of time, 2 months of time after completion of coaching. So you tell me, can there be better planning than this? The answer is no. As an academician, I am very happy when we have developed this kind of plan. As you know, economics for finance and EIS subjects were taken by CS Pavan Kumar sir, who is my very close associate. We are together for the last so many years. Okay, he teaches this 2 papers, and all the other papers, you know, this advanced accounting, auditing, strategic management, and FM, I will be taking care. Materials will be given to you, doubts clarification sessions will be there, MCQs and practice materials will be given to you, 100% syllabus will be covered, and most importantly, again I am telling you, first we'll give you recorded classes for auditing and strategic management, plus I will take full crash course, and so many new students will be there in crash batch, but all those who paid for pre-results batch, no, you will get free admission in those crash classes. You don't need to pay any money, and that 3 days, 4 days, 10 days, whatever the crash course is, you can happily attend the crash course, plus you can get the access to our 100% of the recorded classes. So these are the details. Normally we charge 6,000 plus GST, that comes to 7,000 odd per paper, and here we are giving it only for 4,300 rupees plus GST, that approximately comes to 5,000 per paper. So it is just 5,000 per paper. For whole group it will be 20,000. This is early bird fee, which you'll pay if you register now. These are the details. If you want to join, the phone number is given, 98467915998. Just ping us on WhatsApp. You will get the brochure, you will get all the relevant details. Not only this, we have a Telegram channel, we have a website, we have various portals. Through our social media, we are connected to the students to give so many free course materials, free tips, free video lectures, etc., etc. And as you know, to help so many students in the last examinations, I have given costing classes 100% free of class, freebies we called it, you remember? Okay, then advanced accounting I have given free, auditing I have given free, and before that also during November we announced free classes, and we have given free classes to so many students. And I'm so happy to say, you just open CAP Classes mobile application and see 7,500 students downloaded and accessing free resources without paying a single rupee, be it study plan, be it our study materials, be it mentoring, be it video classes and all. 7,500 students are getting the benefit, and proudly I can say I have received a certificate from our technology company that it is the highest number in India for CA coaching centers in CA intermediate space. Okay, so I'm very happy to announce these batch details. If you are looking for joining the same, please do contact us on WhatsApp, and I'll see you sharp at 6 o'clock on 27th December, Monday. Thanks for watching. All the best.